What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here from richardhairston.com. In this video, I'm going to take you inside of the HBA Funnel Builder and show you how to share your HBA funnels with your team members if you're building a network marketing business, or if someone should decide to join you in whatever business it is that you're doing. You're able to share your funnel with them. Now, unfortunately, we can't give you a share code, like some funnel builders do, or we can't give you a link like some other builders do, simply because we want to keep the cost down. Okay, I've inquired several times about this, and to keep our cost at $25 per month for this funnel builder, we just have to deal with it. But there are some workarounds. Now, I've shown you one way in a video a few weeks ago that I made. I'll put that video below on how you can share a funnel with your team. But also, I just want to show you this other method here, and real quickly, and just to show you how to do it. Now, what I'm actually going to be doing, I'm actually going to be setting up a funnel for someone who joined me in the Home Business Academy in the HBA Funnel Builder to use the Funnel Builder. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video when I get to his login information, because there are some steps that you have to go through. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, this is the funnel that I'm going to share with him. Okay, this is the first page, and this is the second page. Just a simple thank you page. We're going to either leave the image on or off. I haven't decided yet, but let's just walk through the process of getting this done. So what you want to do, okay, and this is real simple if you just follow along. What we're going to do is we're going to come down here to the bottom, and you see block, click on copy, and then this pops up here in the left hand corner. We have that block. Okay, we're going to come up here next, and we're going to copy this block. So we're going to copy it. Now we have two blocks. We have the thank you page. So now let's go back over here, and I'm going to start from the bottom again. We're going to come down here. We're going to copy this block. Going to copy this block. We're going to copy. Let's make sure it's not a block. Going to copy this block. Going to copy this block. And we're going to copy this block right here. Copy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks here. And we copy 2 blocks here. 1, 2. So there should be 7 blocks in this container up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here's the beauty of this. Okay. When I log out of my account and log into his account, these blocks that I copied up here are still going to be located inside of his system when I log in. So I'm going to log out of mine, okay? And then I'm going to log into his, but I'm going to pause this video while I do it, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I've logged into Darius's account, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a look at his funnels to see what he's got. These are 2 funnels I set up for him before, but we're going to click here. We're going to add a new step, and I'm going to put a section label here. We're going to name this, I'm going to name it all, nope, I'm going to name it 25. I'm just going to name it all in one. All in one business. Okay, we're going to name it that. So we have this here separated. So what we want to do now, we're going to click on add a new step, and we're going to click on page. Okay, now when the page comes up, we're going to scroll down here to where it says empty page. We're going to put in an empty page. I'm going to name it all. Name it all in one. Okay, I'm going to take out the dashes here, just to kind of shorten it up a little bit. And we're going to name that one. And so the first thing we're going to do right here is we got to have an empty block here. So we're going to delete this block later on. But what we want to do, okay, is, let me see if I can delete it. Yep. Nope. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and we're going to start dropping stuff in. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to drop that one in. Going to come back over here. Going to go to number 2. I'm going to drop that one in. Going to come back over here. We're going to go to number 3. We're going to drop that one in. We'll come back over here. We're going to go to number 4. We're going to drop that one in. Scroll down the page a little bit. Come back over here. Going to come down to number 5. And we're going to drop it in right there. So now there are all of the pages there. We're going to click on Save. Okay. Now what I want to do is come back over to Funnels again. Scroll down. Click on Add a New Step. Click on Page. Click on Empty Page. Name it. Okay, we'll take out the little dashes here. And you don't have to. That's totally up to you. You don't have to. You can leave them in there. And we'll take off the whole entire thank you. And just do it like that. Okay. So then we're going to save this page. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come over here. We're going to come down to number 6. Okay. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already have those in there. We're going to drag number 6 over in here. We're going to drop it right there. Going to come back over here. We're going to grab number 7. And we're going to drop it right there. Boom. It's all done. The pages are in there, but we have to do some tweaking. So let's go ahead and tweak this thing. The first thing I want to do is change out this image. So we're going to edit the image. Add an image. Got one of them in here. We're going to select it. There we go. I'm going to change the shadow color to black. Okay, let's see if we can make it a little bigger, maybe, perhaps, just to kind of fill it in a little bit. All right, we'll leave it right there. Plus, we're going to change this up here because he's not an X factory worker. Okay, so I'm going to put free. Free video reveals how you can copy his simple all in. Let me put this. Okay. Everything else. We're going to come down here. We're going to change out this name down here. Now, if you don't have a business name, you don't want to use your name, you don't have to. We're going to put there. We're going to leave everything else the same. We're going to come here. We're going to click in here in this area here. We're going to click on the little edit settings. Going to drag this over here. Going to go to the next step in the funnel. Come up to the funnel. Come down all in one. We want the thank you page. Boom. Select it. Done. Okay. And let me check a few more things while I'm here. We're going to edit the fields. We have a source. I'm not sure if he has a source. That's something he's going to have to set up in his Get Response account. But it's there, and we'll talk about that when I talk with it. So we're going to save this page. Now we're going to go over to the next page. And we're going to change out this name up here. It's real simple. I mean, you don't have to watch this, but okay. You will be notified when the world's first thank you. Okay, you will be notified when, and I'm going to leave that there for now. I'm going to check on the image, and he may want to remove this image. That's fine. That's totally up to him. But we're going to put it there for now. We're going to look at the shadow change. There is no shadow. See if we can shrink it down just a little bit. Pull this down some. Give it some space. Give a little space up here. Pull that down some. Save it. Save it. Okay, now the param name, that's a little deal I got going on over here. because when someone puts in their name, it's actually going to save their name over here. And I'll show you that in a minute, but let's just check some things out. Make sure you have to have this past submitted value on to the next page. I'm going to put in his email address, so when he gets the lead, if you put in your email address right here, you will know when you get the lead. I'm going to put business here so he'll know what it is. Okay, we're going to change that. We're going to save that. Now we're going to open up this page, boom, in a new tab, and we're going to see if everything is connected. So I'm going to enter my name. I'm just going to put Rich. Going to enter my email. Yeah, that'll do. And let's see what happens. See if everything's connected. Boom. Everything's connected. You see it put Rich right there, and it put Rich right there. It put my name right there. Okay, I need to go back over here to this page and change out my name here. And that should be it. That is his funnel. Okay, and I'm going to show you one more thing, and then I'm going to let you go, but I'm going to show you how to actually connect this to his autoresponder. So give me a second, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I took a little pause right there to go inside of his Get Response account and set up him an email list in there, naming it the all-in-one system. So what you want to do, you want to click in this little box right here, click on the wheel. You can move this around, come down here to Get Response Settings, and click on All-in-One Business, confirm it, click off, click Save. Now the next time someone entered their information in here on this page, okay, they're actually going to be taken to, they're going to be put into his Get Response account, but not only his Get Response account, but they're also going to go into his contact list. And I'm not going to open up his contact list because he may have some contacts in there, and I don't want people to see his contacts that he have in there. That's, you know, his private business and thing, but I will let him to know to go in there and delete me out of there. So this page right here now becomes a full-fledged funnel that he has, which is going to take him to the next step. And he, like I said, you don't have to have this image. If he does not want this image, it just simply take it out. Just click on it, edit the image, and click right here. If you want to put in another image, okay, we're going to close that, but he can do this, click right here and click on the delete. Okay. If you delete it, it's gone. Now you can drag all of this down here however you want. If I click on save the page, click on preview the page, and that's what you got right there. So you may not want all of that up there. So just come over here and, you know, drag this down some. We're about middle way of the page. Let people see it, save it, come back over here, refresh it. You know, and there you go. And if you want to drag this blue down, you can. You can make the letters bigger now. You know, you can do that as well. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to take this page back up, and I'm going to put it somewhere right along there. And if I want to add an image, I'll just come over here to the plus sign, find the image container, image tab, come over here and go drop it right in there. Click on the plus sign, add the image, select it, boom. I like that little size right there. We're going to do it like that. Drag that down some. Okay, and there you go. It's done. His funnel is done. It's connected to his Get Response email account, and he's good to go. So I would like to make you a special offer, so just hang on with me there for a few minutes, okay? Okay, so if you decide to join me in the HBA Funnel Builder today to get on the notification list for my all-in-one $25 digital business that's going to be released next week, you know, you're only going to get the bonuses if you actually become a paid customer. So you get the Funnel Builder, you're going to get these bonuses from me. You're going to get free access to these bonuses, which are, okay, you're going to get my free email swipes. That's 1,300 professionally written emails to use any way you want in your email marketing. That's a $397 value. My free simple lift leverage 5-day challenge, a simple formula to grow your email list and to begin to build the #1 long-term asset that can pay you for life. Okay, $197. Free posting for profits 5-day challenge, step-by-step, actually what to post when to get more cash customers and recruits into your business. Fast using only your HBA profile, $197 value. Free rejection markets, free zero rejection marketing. Level up your social media marketing strategy to get clear on who your dream prospects are. Attract lead sales and sign up with zero rejection, $197 value. Free YouTube marketing, how to easily 10x your income views, get 10 plus sizzling hot leads per day. Deploy the #1 YouTube spy tool to hijack your competitors' best keyword, $197. My secret traffic sources, get access to my secret traffic sources that automatically builds your email list once you tap into them, $97 value. And free members only access, meaning you get instant access to our private members only newsletter where I share my secrets and tips and strategy, which is a $97 value. The total value, my brothers and sisters, is $1,379. That's if you decide to join the HBA Funnel Builder with me today. Okay, so what you can do is click the link below this video in the description to get started, to get signed up. Also get your Get Response account as well, so you can get these email swipes in the email list building training as well. So make sure you get both of those. If you don't get them, you can get on a notification list where you can wait for the all-in-one system to come out and we can get you hooked up then. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up on this video. My name is Richard Hairston. Click the link in the description to get your HBA Funnel Builder so you can start sharing it with your team. My name is Richard Hairston. I'm out of here. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.